How to delete all Facebook shared posts. So if you want to delete all of the Facebook shared posts, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Again, tap on settings and scroll down again, go with activity log and tap on your Facebook activity. Under that, you just need to simply go with the post option, and here tap on your post, photos and videos. Once you tap on it, here you will get all of the shared posts that you've shared on Facebook. So if you want to delete all of your shared posts, then simply tap on all, which is on the upper left, tap on the all box, and here it will select all of the items or posts that you've shared. Now go with recycle bin, which is on the bottom, and tap on move to trash, and all of this post will be deleted. So that's how you can delete all of your Facebook posts at once. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.